morning. Okay, this morning we're having egg and bacon quesadillas. So it's flour tortillas, the wraps. So I've got 2 out of the freezer that I made early in the week, and I've got them under the grill. Okay, so then we're going to carry on with the rest. We come down here. I'm going to cook the bacon. Put the pan on. Heat up my pan in the meantime. I'm just going to have scrambled egg this morning. I haven't had that for a while. Wonderful. Whisk up the egg before I add a dash of milk. Like that. Obviously, as normal, gonna season with salt and pepper. I don't use the microwave much at all, but I always do for scrambled egg. I just find it's quicker, easier. It doesn't stick to the pan or the jug, and it's just generally a lot better. So I'm going to bung that in. So I've got some cheese grated ready. I'm just going to go and throw the bacon on. Doing nicely down there as well. So this morning's breakfast will come to €1.34, which is not bad, especially if you've got things, you know, you can add to. So I'm going to leave it there for a minute while I wait for everything to cook. Okay, I am really naughty when it comes to scrambled egg. I love putting a bit of butter in, and it just really enhances the flavour. Gorgeous. Okay, so my tortillas, my wraps have been under the grill, so I've got one nice and crispy. So that one's going to go at the bottom. I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on that one. And then I've just roughly chopped up the bacon, just easier to smush it around. Hopefully, that way. That's better, isn't it? So you can smush it around. And then I'm going to put on the egg. First time I did this, I actually made just one each, and it was just way too much. So I'm just making one this morning. That'll be more than enough for us. So then you've got the egg, and then I'm going to put some more bacon on top, and then more cheese. Quesadilla is actually Mexican, and they're generally not spicy. And they would normally have just something simple like cheese in, but made exactly the same way. And it's sort of like a side dish. So I'm going to put my tortilla on top, and then I'm going to pop it back under the grill. Okay, here it is. Right, the idea really is to get your tortillas nice and crispy, so it does change the texture from just like having a wrap or something. It's going to be a bit gooey, but hopefully it's going to look great and taste amazing. So, I'm going to cut it in to quarters. It's gonna splodge everywhere. Okay, let's get a couple of bits on the plate. Okay. And there you go. Bacon, egg with a bit of cheese. Quesadillas for breakfast. Can't wait. See you again.